everyone, it's Julia Elise and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you yet another dollar store shop with me video. Why did I say that so weird? You guys seem to really like the last one, so I figured today would be a great day to do this video because I was going to the dollar store anyway. These types of videos just remind me why I made this channel in the first place. I wanted to share with people ways that I like to save money. I've always been a very smart shopper and the dollar store is so underrated. They have such great stuff for obviously so cheap, $1. I really wanted to continue to make this a series on my channel and try to film a dollar store related video at least once a month or every other month or even once a season because it is so stinking fun. So today I am on a mission to find some stuff for the rehearsal dinner. My brother's getting married in literally 2 weeks and we haven't really figured out the whole favor situation yet, so that's kind of why I'm going to the Dollar Tree. Also, if you notice my watch in this video, it is by the company Jord and they are such an amazing company. I will list all of the information about this watch if you're interested in twinning with me along with a coupon code in the description, but I'll be like pointing and touching stuff and I know you guys would ask about it, so thank you Jord for working with me and I would love if you guys would twin with me, so go check it out, link in the bio. So enough blabbing, let's go shopping. All right, here we are. Okay, so I always have to start by grabbing a cart. It is the most important thing because I hate having to try to get all my goodies in my hands. It is way too difficult. And honestly, I like to just go up and down the aisles to make sure I'm seeing everything that's new and everything that's exciting. For this season, I noticed there are so many flip-flops that are so cute here, and I know everybody freaks out about Dollar Flip-Flop Day, but it's always Dollar Flip-Flop Day at the dollar store. I saw these cute little, I'm not even sure what these are, school supply holders or something, and I was really gravitating towards the gray one, but all of the colors were super cute. Now, speaking of gray, look at these products that are new. I am obsessed, specifically that basket. I absolutely adore it. I thought it was just the cutest thing. I didn't end up getting it, but so cute. Something I always love to check out at the Dollar Tree are the flowers, and today they were totally stocked, but looked like they had fall flowers out already, which is nuts. But how pretty are these hydrangea looking things? So cute, and they're just so easy to pop and add color to your decor. I was very tempted to buy all of these floats and pool toys because my parents have a pool, but I was lucky enough to resist. They have the best cards for the best prices. Can never do better than the Dollar Tree. Now, I know it's a little early to talk about back to school, but the Dollar Tree has such good office supplies. I'm obsessed. So next, I headed over to the frames, and they have the nicest frames. They have really vamped up their quality recently, and I always check out their frames when I'm there because you do not need to spend a lot. And look at how cute all of their decor was. I also found this in the frame department. I know Bargain Bethany has these, and they're just so cute. I always pay close attention to the cosmetic and hair departments because you never know what kind of brand names you may stumble upon. Now today when I was shopping, I found awesome brands. I found Wet n Wild, some e.l.f. stuff, and it was just so exciting. And oh my gosh guys, look how cute all of these wall decals were. Now I saw so much DIY potential. I didn't get any, but let me know if you want to see some based off of these. Okay, so let's talk candy. The dollar store is the best place to buy candy, and I always go to the Dollar Tree before I go to a movie and pick up my favorites. And here I am debating to get donuts, but I stopped myself. Okay, so I'm not going to go too in-depth talking about what I'm looking at here because I talk a lot about it in the haul, but I'm just looking for activities for my cousins at my brother's wedding. I'm making them little goodie bags just to keep them occupied, and the dollar store really has such fun little crafts and stickers and just art supplies that are so fun for kids. Okay, so I am back for my shopping adventure. Sorry if the actual shop with me part was a little bit short. I was on a mission to create little goodie bags for my cousin at the wedding, and I think I accomplished that mission. You guys will have to tell me. I'll show you all the little things that I picked up for them to keep them occupied at the wedding, and a couple other things for the wedding. I actually didn't buy anything for myself, but those are always the best shopping trips in my opinion. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, cue the haul. This is pretty much always where I do my shop with me's because my parents live to all of the best stores. My mom is right here, my dog is right here, so I'm just gonna be showing them and you guys what I got. So first I'll start with the kid stuff. So I put together little bags for the girls to kind of stay occupied at the wedding. There's gonna be no kids at the wedding, but they're in the actual bridal party, so they'll be the only kids there, so they might be bored at times, so I made them little goodie bags. We were talking about doing that, so I decided might as well. So for B, I got her this Relax and Rewind coloring book. It just has really cute quotes. It just seems like something she'd be into because she's very wise. She has a million quotes of her own, and she can just color those in. And the other like book thing I got was this large print word hunt. They're very smart, so I figured they would like to do stuff like that. I don't know, do you think they'll do that? I found this notebook that said Be Happy, and her name is B. Hey, silence your cell phone. And then I found these little stickers that she could put in the notepad. They're little butterflies, and of course, shh. The bag that it's in is this cute little Boston Terrier with glasses. So for Molly, she is the middle child. How old is Molly?
9, she'll be 10.
Molly's 9. This literally is Molly. It says Pug Life. So kind of the same idea. I just got her this challenging color by numbers because she's a little bit older. So you just follow the numbers and color in it, and they're all animals because she loves animals.
Oh, that's cool.
And then I got her word search as well, and the colored pencils. For Molly, I got her a notebook that says Shine and some stickers that have birds on it. Kind of goes with the animal theme. And then finally, the oldest, Jane, just turned 12, right? So for Jane, she's a little bit older, so I got her this very difficult dot-to-dot picture puzzles, which I looked at it and it gave me a headache, but it seems like something she'd be very good at. You connect the dots all the way going up to like 350 and it makes a picture, and I figured she could color them in. I got large print word search for her as well. They looked very challenging, but again, they're such smart girls, they'll be fine. And then I got her a Sudoku because she's older, once again. Again, colored pencils. These reminded me a lot of Jane, so I got them for her. They have tie-dye heart stickers, but they're cute. And then lastly, okay, so also for the wedding, Matthew wanted a sign that had take a yarmulke, blah, 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 blah. Up to a silver and a gold. I know Jen has metallics in the wedding, but I don't know which one's more prominent, so I got both. For the rehearsal dinner, there is a little bit of surface space, so I figured I got a little sign that says to have and to hold or something cute like that. And I found this frame that says Mr. and Mrs., which I thought was just so cute. One picture on the other side of it of their first dance together at homecoming, and the other probably like one of their most recent photos, and then maybe like an engagement photo in this kind of do. I found this really, really nice card for my brother's birthday. It just has nice teal, so I thought that was cute. A card for my mom, for my brother. I got a graduation card. I also got my brother and Jen a wedding card. I didn't know they carried them there, but this is actually so pretty. This would be so expensive at like Papyrus or Hallmark. And it says a really sweet message on the inside, so I thought that was good. But those are the goodies that I got at the Dollar Tree. Well, okay, you guys, so thank you so much for watching my second ever shop with me / haul at the Dollar Tree. Please comment down below other places that you want me to do this type of video, and if you liked the voiceover style or if you like me talking in the stores, comment down below. I'm open to hearing your suggestions. Part of my YouTube journey is kind of learning as I go, and of course it helps with feedback from you guys, so of course leave all your suggestions in the comments down below. I want to invite you to subscribe at this time if you are not already, and to follow me on social media. I'm most active on Instagram. I'm working on my theme and I think it looks really good, so give me a follow over there. And if you like more personal videos like this, I will link my vlog channel in the description and at the end card. And I hope you guys have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Just keep on